I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your table: employee, date, clock in and clock out. Convert times to Excel time format so calculations work reliably. Next, create 2 helper cells for night window boundaries, for example 22:00 as night start and 06:00 as night end. Once done, normalize overnight shifts by treating clock out earlier than clock in as next day. We'll add 1 day to those clock out values. Make sure to reference the helper cells with absolute refs, so formulas stay consistent. Now calculate the actual night hours by computing the overlap between the shift interval and the night window. Adjust end times where end is earlier than start by adding one day to end. Then apply overlap equals max, 0 min shift end night end, max, shift start night start. Use absolute references for night start and night end. Once you have overlap in time format, multiply by 24 to get hours. Make sure to coerce any text times with time value or value to avoid hash value errors. Finish by converting the overlap result to decimal hours. Equals overlap *24 and wrap with round to desired precision. Aggregate per employee and pay period using sumifs against the date range. Once done, validate totals by sampling a few shifts and comparing manual calculations. If numbers look wrong, check 3 things. Cell format is time/number, overnight clock out was incremented by 1 day, and your min/max overlap logic didn't produce a negative. Recalculate or force recalculate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.